Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today, I am going to make another exciting cocktail for you. The 77 Sunset Strips. 77 Sunset Strips is beautifully concocted with white rum, gin, vodka, triple sec, pineapple juice and special sweet and sour mix. Let's start with a hurricane glass. I will pour a 1/4 ounce of Grenadine syrup. Grenadine is a pomegranate flavored syrup, and generally used to give pinkish red color to the beverages. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now I will fill the glass with fresh ice. Always use fresh ice, as fresh ice melts slowly, and increases the life of the cocktail. Now I will pour 1/2 ounce of white rum. I am using Bacardi white rum, but you can use any of your favorite brand. 1/2 ounce of gin. Half an ounce of vodka. Half an ounce of triple sec. Triple sec is an orange-flavored liqueur, and most commonly used in the bar. 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix. And 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Now I will mix all the ingredients, and pour over the ice. This method is known as mix method in the mixology terminology. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Now I will top up the cocktail with chilled lemonade. You are watching Spice Trail. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now I will slowly stir to create a beautiful red hue at the bottom of the cocktail. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Garnishing with a fresh pineapple flag. And 77 Sunset Strips is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon, with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.